No, do not kill me.
Good morning and welcome to the Jaguar F-Type. I'm here with Master Butcher Extraordinaire, Mr. Paul Turner.
Good morning, good morning.
Where are we going today?
We have a little bit of a surprise for you today, Tom. Today,
I'm going to be a butcher.
You're going to be a butcher.
Woo-hoo!
Going down to meet the wonderful Ellie from Leonards Ingredients, and we have arrived. Your challenge today is to learn how to make sausages. So for once I shall be imparting some knowledge to you. What we're going to do is I'm going to make a base mix, show you how to fill, give the whole demonstration, and then we're going to separate the base mix. You shall have some and you shall have some. We shall do a cook-off and we shall decide who is the inaugural sausage champion out of you two.
I'm terrified. I'm absolutely terrified.
We shall see.
This scares me. I mean, this is the kind of thing you see the mafia putting in the boot of people's cars because they've done something that's not good.
You watch some strange films. It is a wonderful estate we've got here, and so what also we've done is we've brought lots of different ingredients in from the surrounding areas, and we've brought some down so we can demonstrate. So what we're going to do is I'm going to make a base mix, show you how to fill, give the whole demonstration, and then we're going to separate the base mix into two other separate pieces, to which you shall have some and you shall have some. And then it's what we're going to do is do what we do, and we're going to take added ingredients from artisan producers, whatever, and try and work flavour profiles, and then you two will make sausages. We shall require you to name the said sausage that you've created, and then we shall do a cook-off and we shall decide who is the inaugural sausage champion out of you two. All of the sort of fat content and meat content, because you have to have fat within sausages, obviously, to retain the moisture in it. So this has everything that we really need. So this is our preferred cut, and I shall demonstrate. I won't get you to do the boning out or anything like that, so we'll just get down to the base meat and then we'll mix it, mince it, and make sausages. Some people tend to saw through this piece and just give yourself a little set of ribs, but we tend to bone all the way down, trying to take as much of this meat off the bone because you don't really want to have to go back and spend too much time trimming it up. We've obviously got front leg here, you've got a nice blade bone here, just get those little bit of fragments off there.
Yeah, so it's quite sort of important to note that sausage making, you use really high quality bits of meat. It's not.
Yeah, I mean, you know, sausages have always had a bit of a bad rep of a lot of people saying, you know, there's all sorts of bits and pieces used in them, which if you're reputable and you're using the right sort of things and you want the right sort of product, those sort of things don't go in. And then this becomes your shoulder, which would roll, and that is your hand of pork. Some beautiful Red Tractor farm assured pork, locally sourced, I should think.
Very kindly provided by Plumpton College.
Very good. Nice plug there.
Yes, yes.
I'm going to go and get this lot minced, and then we'll start the mixing process. What we've done now, we've just minced this through once. This is just through on a 5mm plate, and what you can see, we've got the fat that's mixing in with the nice lean meat. So what we're going to do now is we're going to add our premix.
Yep.
This is all the seasonings and all the rusk, and this is their premium mix. This is a fantastic base mix. This is what would be the traditional standard British sausage that you would go and get from a normal butcher shop that knows his stuff.
Yeah, so this is just a really nice plain profile. So you obviously know sausages, people like, they're so versatile, the fact that you can have them like your breakfast, for lunch, you have bangers and mash for dinner. And this is just a really nice base, so you can start smelling the sort of the herbs that you've got in there coming through now.
Have a sniff. See
I can have a sniff, I can smell
You
it.
get a good waft of it.
I can smell your musk, and I can smell the aromas of the spices.
Well, I'll tell you what, I'm working hard here, and you've done absolutely nothing at all, Tom, apart from dry me here. So let's.
Well, that was stressful enough for me.
That was, and for me.
So sat next to me. I want me to do this.
Yeah, you obviously wash your hands, obviously with it I did. So let's get your hands in there and just keep it mixing away, okay?
I've only got small hands, not like old butcher man over here.
So you got to make sure you get all the rusk. Don't leave any on the bottom.
Yes. Do you know what? I never in my life thought I would be here after seeing such a destruction of a pig in a so elegant way, massaging the remains into some sage mix.
Right, we'll leave it there. I'll mix it away, so this is going to take forever otherwise.
I can feel the pain happening over here.
There's a good bit of sausage here. Hang on. There we are.
So Tom, add the water. Whole thing, yes.
All over?
All over, it's pre-weighed out. So all we're trying to do is we're trying to get this water to absorb. We don't want to take too long because we don't want everything coming up to too much for within room temperature. We've got quite a bit in there. Come on, Ellie.
Okay.
You got to start.
Oh, and it's lovely.
It's not too cold, is it?
No, it's fine. I can't feel my fingers anyway, so you're fine.
Okay, that's about there. Fantastic. Right.
He says doing a bit more.
Not quite.
Look how he lifts the entire pig.
I know, but how can you do it?
So now we just need to load this on. That should be about enough for what we need.
Wow. Congratulations, Paul. It's a sausage. Do you remember Play-Doh?
Play-Doh.
There used to be a machine similar to this.
So what we essentially got here is we have one giant sausage, okay? I'm not going there. You make a slight pinch there, fold it over, measure it against the other one, pinch again. So when we're there, you then twist, and there.
Oh, come on.
You have 3 sausages. So the next time, you estimate, 1, 2, you twist and turn. There you go. This is the end result. This is what we need you to achieve, but rather than just having it as a normal sausage, we need you to impart some flavours. As with all good chefs and all good people working within food, you have to taste to try these things. So we have some cider, we have some real ale, we have some chocolate lager.
I'm out for that one.
We have some Jim Beam, we have some wasabi oil, we have some garlic, we have some fresh chilies, we have some fantastic award-winning cheese, we have some leeks that I will just let you sample and try.
Okay, so I've gone for bourbon whiskey and some wasabi. I like a good smoky texture and flavour, and the wasabi is to give it a little bit of kick. Not too much wasabi because I've only just calmed down after the chili.
Okay, yeah. I mean, can I make a suggestion for you?
Please do.
If you like smoky.
I do.
I'm not that I want to throw
like
another
smoky.
Leonards product at you, but we do, as it happens, have a smoky barbecue.
I would love a smoky barbecue.
I'm just saying.
This is a
glaze. You normally
sauce?
put it on meat. No, it's a powder product. You normally put it on meat, but you can actually put it in. Have a sniff.
Oh my god, I can smell it from here. Can I take some of this home? Oh, it smells so good!
Is that what you were looking for?
Oh my god, that's so good. I want this as well.
Okay.
What are you going to name the said sausage?
So I've established... No, I know
okay.
already. I had the name even before the ingredients.
Okay.
The Smoky Samurai.
The smoky samurai.
The Smoky Samurai.
Now that we've established that wasabi is from Japan.
Correct. And samurais are from Japan.
Yeah, and that came from
I was just checking. So that was the statement. That was a question. Are they from Japan?
They are from Japan.
Fine.
Yeah,
So it's a Smoky Samurai.
the smoky samurai. Okay. Right, Ellie, talk us through the ingredients you've chosen.
I've decided to go a bit more classic, butcher's shop style. I thought I'll go for a bit of a, not safe, some would say classical, traditional. A ploughman style sausage, I think.
Okay.
So I'm going to combine some very nice Plumpton cheese
Right.
with some very nice hazy hog cider
Okay.
and some even more delicious chutney.
Ah, so you brought in a ringer.
Yeah.
This was not on the table originally, so is this...
Neither was the smoky barbecue.
No, that's true. Okay.
Just saying.
I will let Ellie have that. It's fine.
Thank you.
That's fine. Right, no problem.
Does not worry the Smoky Samurai.
Right, mix is made.
Yep.
So we have preloaded Ellie's meat within the sausage machine. We have loaded a skin on. So just to make it easier and fair, I shall turn the handle.
Thank you.
You take hold. This is what we're looking for.
Not what
Okay.
we're going to be achieving, but okay.
Let's see. All right, you ready?
Stop sniggering in the background.
keep it. Okay, done. So
That's not a bad effort.
we can get rid of that.
I'm concerned.
If we transfer that over onto the block.
Right.
So-
This is the complicated bit. One like that, wasn't it? And that one. And that.
Right, okay, so
And
we've
then do I
got...
twist?
Yep,
You've
Yeah.
done this before.
okay.
And then
Then
start
take it
here.
from there, start from there. Now we're looking for 2.
Say, I'm nervous.
I wouldn't be. It's going to go very wrong. Like that. And then through.
No, just wait.
Oh, up,
Right, now
isn't
you
it?
need to make the third
Oh,
one.
hang on. Right, and then pinch that.
Yep,
Oh, I've got some very dumpy fat sausages.
it's not easy.
It's not. My God, you
not
made that
easy.
look so easy as well.
So you want to pinch that one down a bit,
Yeah.
and then pinch this one.
Possible.
This one.
I think you're in trouble here, Tom. Okay.
So I pinch 2
now
again.
We're going for 2, yep. So you're going to get this one towards the end. Hey, look at this. Look at this. No. You've upheld the Leonards family name. You are now the sausage expert. Ready?
I'm ready.
Good.
I'm ready, Paul. Oh dear Lord. So I've gone for the extra thick sausages.
Yeah, obviously.
I feel this is a good, consistent sausage.
I'm slightly intimidated actually.
It's the way of the samurai.
Okay.
Great.
We're there.
What do you do? Just give it a tug.
Yeah, just rip it from there. Put to the side. That's it.
Oh, that's
Right. Transfer.
okay.
Check out the competition.
I'm not even worried.
Really?
I thought I would be, but okay. So we've got to.
Okay. We're going to
find the length. 1.
Yep.
2.
And then it drops over the top.
Oh, I see. Gotcha.
Yeah. And then through. Now you got to pinch. There you go.
This is used as the benchmark.
No. Drop that. Drop that. Drop that.
All right.
Measure.
Okay. There's my 2.
Okay. So this one is going to go around here. Now you need to.
Again, another 2.
Good things take effort.
I'm just standing here holding a sausage. Give me some guidance, man.
Right. Is that? We'll come over to the top.
Yeah.
And then you're there. All right.
No, I'm not all right. This is hard.
So now.
Yeah.
You're
Okay.
there.
Let me continue with my sausage. That'll be fine for the last one.
I mean, I think that's pretty impressive.
Well, hang on a second. I haven't seen mine fully outstretched. Look at the size of it. I'm not really sure. Look at this bad boy. I'm not really sure about that. Probably get rid of that last bit. We don't need all that. But look at the size of this. It's about a puppet you were doing with that bloody machine. Right, here we are.
So I think what we do now is we'll get some of these cooked up and we sample them and then we shall award the said trophy. Okay, so we have now completed the task. We have the sausages that I produced, okay? We cooked them all in the same way. We have, between these two, Ellie's and yours. Yeah, well, let's begin. We'll just try the premium one.
This is yours.
Yep.
I'm straight in, man. They are delicious. I mean, they are literally amazing.
At the moment, I alone know which ones are which. So we'll blind taste them and you just see if those flavour profiles come through that we talked about. If you can't taste the flavour profiles, then you've got the flavouring wrong. Pick a
I'm
plate.
intrigued by these ones.
Pick a plate. So we're going to go for these?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go.
Oh, I think I know whose this is.
Oh, you can smell it
You
already.
can smell whiskey.
You can smell it already.
Oh wow, yeah.
Best sausages I've ever had. They are the smoked samurai.
You definitely know you've got whiskey in there.
You definitely know you've got whiskey and the barbecue. The barbecue comes through really well.
It does, doesn't it?
And that barbecue's
That
delicious.
smells really good.
That is a good banger.
I'm really surprised actually, Tom. I didn't expect this to be a complete disaster.
I mean, breakfast, lunch and dinner. Smoked samurai. Tucking in. Cheesy.
Cheesy.
Yes. Yeah, definitely.
That's really nice.
That is really good. That's really
It's
good.
not as nice as those. I don't normally like cheesy sausages, but that is very nice.
Thank you.
It's very pleasant.
I would buy any of them. I would literally buy any of them. In all honesty, I think we have to call this a draw. We've had two. Let me explain my rationale for this. We've had two. Ellie's obviously experienced with seasonings, but has never made sausages before. Really no idea what experience you've had. But you both come in here, never made sausages before. We've given you the raw ingredients. You've turned out some great product. So I think what we'd do is call it a draw. That means
Congratulations.
we have to do it again. Some time. There we go.
I can only see the back of it, but it looks questionable.
Well, we should,
This
I
is
think that's
wow.
Brilliant.
Yeah, delicious though.
Fantastic.
Cool.
We'll call that a day.
The end.
Yeah.